Right, I was for young when I found some now on and Tom so median mammy Afia Adepa. A hanum air chroma TV GH, best rest among Costona, mon subscribe it. Monster stories no na agent, try no comment session. Momanin soon, Major Brain Macan Canina Eddie Amamo. Ye when ya boy run yen sem no emo. Honorable Ken Agyapong as Senate Central for MP. Say in the Dino, a do a cheap papa. Now the supporters and so and some are one more Kenya and say no can no votes, no can no votes. Na honomen tiasie say want to see a CM farmer no say there been some cancer slogan there. One more idiom de enam no. Now one lady a friend say Afia Schwar one controversial entertainment panel back or no. Bo rebe or shawan corner or then send to job. You already know say already. What church and say Mahmoud Baumia and the best bet for the NPP and then the country as a whole. Now then send to the church say so no pamba to a bar amanako. Ediama honorable candidate, sebi called Beshiwi, so beto we and mo say in same brain now wanted to be pound their money honorable and the for the supporters in say they should stop thinking. Say, oh, my dream pass about to one say their politics based on emotions, the no ometting kura, now politics so one way a business, and there is no way say MPP ever come to me at the share honorable candidate same say or no. In true Franca and farmer MPP Kuno. And then ordinary to try and some no doms of call actually Chemudia quet, didn't ya? With him more honorable, one of the best bets, and I no cry dear. After say Kennedy Becan and some say of Mamba or Mian a president showdown, no, and some brave be say Unya Koma Edjo, he's not born to be a leader. We need those qualities, no nipa saints mean the nipa domain. I might say, the fan base no cry, no asat siako form. Omana mo omo dine chika kra bebre na and organize say na omo mugine mu tinti mindful no wo mo so na message we say no Afia Schwar atimi abobo na adwen e de ama omo say omo so enso mene ne ebe ne ebo wo mo yenje brebusua foni pinchen nsem no video ni nyina ne audio ha ne enkotie nsem e call so e wo nkoma wo de to dwane mu mo wi amadwen hyen so mo fan to dwa meje brain makan kan nyina e de ama mo na nkoma no etimi ewie peye
no me Maybe about 2 about Ken Agyapong. Come back on Nuri. Mokas Majimio. Kai. Mokas Majimio. No, they attend the party. I am to Mano. MPP or for party no Mano. It's just the truth. And people will not give the party to him because Kennedy can act. He's not ready. Me, I told these people, he is not ready. He is not. He is not. He is not. If he's ready, showdown and he's not ready. And NPP party is not for social media followers like you. And the more emotions, what for Kennedy? When you delegate to say me, to for Jimmy Koda, now boy 11. Nine, when you delegate for Kwasia Koda, now boy 11. Addicted for Jimmy Koda, a boy 11. When you delegate. Won't call to Wabanibi. To Babada will vote for Kennedy. Your mouth is not a vote. At least me make any party. Who can say Kawayam? Only another call. Nobody can hear you. So take your foolishness and go and sleep. And let's have intelligent discourse. For Jimmy Koda, now want to Waba. What for Kennedy? Na. All kinds of politics is centered around your emotions. It's a business. My dear, let's continue. Let's learn from this. Everybody, you should build the generation after you. No, me. Maybe about 2 about Ken Agyapong. Come back on Nuri. Mokas Majimio. Kai. Mokas Majimio. No, they attend the party. I am to Mano. MPP or for party no Mano. It's just the truth. And people will not give the party to him because Kennedy can act. He's not ready. Me, I told these people, he is not ready. He is not. He's not. He's not. If he's ready, showdown and he's not ready. And NPP party is not for social media followers like you. And the more emotions, what for Kennedy? When you delegate to say me, to for Jimmy Koda, na boy 11. Nyane unya delegate for akwasi akwada na boy 11. Addicted for Jimmy Kwada, abo 11. Unya delegates. Won't go to Wabanibi. To Babada, we vote for Kennedy. Your mouth is not a vote. At least me kasa any party. Who kasa kawiyem. Only anadeko. Nobody can hear you. So take your foolishness and go and sleep. And let's have intelligent discourse. For Jimmy Kwada, na won't to Waba. Na. Okay, so politics is centered around your emotions. It's a business. My dear, let's continue. Let's learn from this. Everybody, you should build the generation after you.
And they or say Kennedy, he's nowhere near the seat, and there is no way the MP before Bear Shahan am no. It's me and ya queen be able to queen because on San Fata. There is no way in say no. And so the two join and I said, Cocobon some can say what the match supporters and so on so no. Woman see for 2 air bay, no more infant one among free say. Some got some of the emotions at their comma air by depressed the chidia and you must have a siphon. Because politics so home we a business. We can ask them cry, yen shall say crown to about crying, nipper will be we needed that. And say, I'm 10 grown day. I am a waste of money and time and co baby and so moon to comment section has say no a being much at your mind do any Afia Schwar thing a dream everyone some kind. We already know so no making a stance that say Mahmoud Bawumia is the best so far through a digitalization and I'm on so to ne and moi a dear boy as the vice president of Ghana no I so be brieni instead of kasa they know say Bawumia is saying now people are always saying say Impo Kennedy. Ono so ebiebie nyuma memeburu ye biaye osa hwe nyanka esa hwe wisia esa hwe eye kunafo nyina je se nyina na bi gina no so aka say he is best na owa akoma. Comment section radio the bio say Bawumia all the way. We say big thank you mommy for speaking the truth. Radio the bio say wisdom is speaking. We so essay with Allah it is possible. We so the bio say still Bawumia all the way. We so the bio say tell them mommy it's hard time they listen to the truth. Now she say, Mr. Kennedy supporters they gonna for P. Now no can no vote. They also have a very big stance. They know what they are talking about, and say it is all going to be proven Yame Aduma in November and Yame Aduma November 4th is just around the corner. Yesha Seneca say we're 3. Na yedi November 4th from Beson Amacha Senye. Oh Winnie, the old Incho, the old Kwakwada, the old redraw. A home seminar no etimi. To din ama ye hu and I'm on to any road to election 2024 the power through Frank Academy MPP right here temu chuku de be tribia no meba no chromatic VGH yen so the best so mo na chese mo so me hu dia ekoso e wo man Ghana mo ensam no mo chama de mame na mo ne Afia Schwar ya adwen let us know in the comment section na mo share stories no bia san Canada na mo kan say mbesa subscribe send yen komo no beto dwa na monsomonsa etumi akamode da mu ina masese na so nya abre na mo hwe e platform so makra mu nyina mama bai